So here it is, January 11th, 2015. We're at the Rocky Knoll, and we got all the wire out along this fence line here, and we pulled up all the French broom. And we got like 90% of the poison oak. We pulled up as much as we could. There, it just was all over the place, and the roots all go all over the place like a matrix of mesh of roots in the soil. Just walk over here. See in here. This was the tree that was down, laying across this madrone grouping here, and got that all out. I left that little wild olive tree there to grow. We can always take it out later, but it just looked kind of fitting, just sitting there. Little wild olive tree. Cleaned up this toyon bush here. It had a bunch of scraggly dead stuff on the underside, and I cleaned it all up. And here's another wild olive tree. This was all solid French broom in here. And there was a bunch of snags that I cut down. Oak. There was another oak that was fallen down here that was hung up in a bunch of other fallen over madrones, and there was a big madrone snag there where that stump is, and there was a big madrone snag right here. And got all that stuff down. We created two more large piles. There's a big one there, and another one right over here. And that's what we cleared today. I hired an extra guy, so it was 3 of us today. We really booked on this. Just ripped everything out here and basically got this finished. Got all the wire out. I cut down a bunch of dead madrones that were in here on the back side of the Rocky Knoll. There's a few dead madrones in there. And all there is left to take out of here really is 3 little Douglas firs. So remember, we wanted to get all these Douglas firs out of here. I don't know, if it were me, I would probably cut down these bays, but we were focusing on getting all the French broom out and all the dead trees and all the poison oak, and we got that. And here's a third pile. That's the one I burned last week. So here's a scan over once again. All opened up. There's Mount St. Helena.